Simply Smart, the Atomi Smart AC Adapter controls your AX power, temperature, mode, and fan speed from your phone anytime, anywhere in the world. Set weekly schedules, turn your air conditioner on and off automatically, and much more. Use Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for added convenience. Maximize your comfort. The Atomi Smart AC Adapter enables you to control your AC via infrared signals and connects to your home Wi-Fi without the need for a hub. More reasons to enjoy the summer. The summer heat can be excessive. Don't let the weather take away from all the good moments. Luckily, with the Atomi Smart AC Adapter, you can have complete control of your surroundings with the simple use of our highly rated Atomi Smart app and make your AC more reliable than ever before. Set it and forget it. Combining functionality and style, you can set daily schedules to suit your lifestyle so your Smart AC Adapter knows exactly the right temperature you want, every time. Universal, the Smart AC Adapter works with all window or freestanding air conditioners with a remote control. Important, you must have your air conditioner remote available in order to sync with the Atomi Smart AC Adapter.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,